If you are feeling like you need a refreshment after all those hectic work days, the Albina recipe is the perfect combination of healthy and medicinal cures. It's a prophetic medicine enjoyed by Prophet Muhammad and his companions. Use the dish as a means of curing the sick, comforting those who lost loved ones, and for internal healing, especially from grief and sorrow. It is made from barley, which is highly beneficial for relaxing brain and heart. It can recover from an emotional trauma. On that note, hi there, this is Jyotsna and you are watching The Original Taste and hope you are doing good. Having said that, today's recipe is a very special one, highly nutritious and beneficial for type 2 diabetes and weight loss compared to oats, which makes us as fit as a fiddle. Probably you might be thinking that we need too many ingredients for making this prophetic medicine. Surprisingly, we require very few ingredients. Firstly, taking 1.5 liter of milk. Bring it to a boil. Once it's done, now adding in barley. I have taken around 150 grams of barley, soaked for minimum 4 to 5 hours. They can be soaked overnight. Cook on low to medium flame. Stir it constantly so that the base does not burn. The Albina is one of the best breakfasts in the world. It is superfood, medicine, and God's gift for heart patients and people having tension, mental issues, stomach, liver, muscular, and nervous system issues. Barley is a good source of niacin, vitamin B, that prevents heart diseases. The Albina fulfills iron deficiency, helps in skin vitalizing and glowing. It is the best remedy for burning feet and hands. It is beneficial in women's hormonal disorders. Well, the Albina bagged a bunch of health benefits. It consumes much time if I elaborate, so made it concise. Provided the information in detail in the description below. Please check it out. We can see that the milk is boiling and is becoming thick. After the barley seeds are almost half cooked, add in chopped dates. I have taken around de-seeded 15 to 20 dates. And adding some dry nuts. You could choose nuts of your choice. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. We are not going to add any sugar. We can feel the earthy sweetness of the dates and the honey. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We can see that the sweet has been thickened. Now off goes the flame. Once it's slightly cooled down, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Serve and savor for its incredible properties and be in the pink of health. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.